I got a question for you guys. I don't want you to give me an answer before I give you my answer. If you follow the same habits, what happens? Pause the video and just drop your comments right now. If you follow the same habits, what happens? Same outcome, right? Same situation, same scenarios. Doesn't matter who you with, where you came from, where you're going. If you follow the same habits, you're going to get the same result every time. The same result. Don't matter where you move, no matter where you come from, no matter who you know, no matter who you with. It's your habits that causes whatever you see on a daily basis. Your habits. How do we fix that? You got to realize what is having you to be stagnant. What's stopping you in your place? These things that you have things that you know that are slowing you down. It ain't everybody else's you. Slowing you down. Whatever everybody else does, what everybody else does. But there's things that slow you down. Things that stop you in your place. There's things that stop you from being humble, stop you from wanting to grow. It makes you stay in your same mindset. If you haven't downloaded our app Haven, do so. I'll drop the link in the comments. But the goal is to make sure you're not just listening to me and growing through me. The goal is to make sure that you're growing so you can teach your kids and you can teach your family and you can be that person in your household. Let's continue to elevate. Let's stop the habits that's stopping us. You know what they are. Stop them in their tracks and start changing them. The only way to get rid of a bad habit is to change it with a good habit. You can't just get rid of it and do nothing. You have to change it and switch it with something. Otherwise, it becomes idle time. Idle time goes right back into a habit. Keep that in mind.